Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick review and tutorial on the Faux Mink False Lash in the style CHRYSAN by Lilly Lashes. Now this is available only at Ulta Beauty and it retails for $26 for one pair. And I was gravitated towards this because of the style. It is small in the inner corner and waves out to a longer length on the outer corners. And I personally believe that Lilly Lashes has such a great quality and amazing feel on the eyes. Now onto the tutorial part of this video. I am sizing it to my eyes, and as you can see it is a little bit longer in length for my eye shape, so I just want to cut off the first kind of dip in the lashes, or the separation part, and I also cut off the end. And now I'm curling it by just wrapping it around my pinky finger, and usually that works for me, but you don't have to do that. And now I'm applying the tacky glued lash onto my eyes. So I also want to mention that if you are using a strong glue, these lashes are a little bit delicate, so don't pull on them too hard. Don't be aggressive with them because the lashes will fall out if you pull and tug on them in an aggressive manner. So definitely take care of these lashes. They're amazing, they're beautiful. As you can see, they're definitely glamorous but natural at the same time, and I absolutely love this style. So I'm also applying them to the other side, and it's super easy. It feels lightweight. I do want to mention that these are 100% vegan, they're cruelty-free, and they are reusable up to 20 times. But this is what it looks like on my eyes. I am super happy with it. The only thing I want to, or I did mention, is that to be careful with them because the lashes will come off. If you have a super crazy glue or strong glue, then it will fall apart. So be careful with that, but if you can do that, then they will work out fine. You can reuse them as many times as you want, and you'll have beautiful lashes like these. So I definitely would purchase them again. This was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Congratulations to the winner, which will be announced in the description box down below of my November giveaway, by the way. And stay tuned for another giveaway. And also don't forget to check out my playlist and other videos and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye!